Hey guys, I'm walking through Dollar Tree and I'm not looking for anything in particular, but I did see a DIY by Life at 50 and Beyond that I would like to try. Right now, I'm not seeing much of anything, and I really do hate to walk through the store holding the camera because I got my big camera with me. But anyway, if I come across something special or something I think is worth seeing, I'll bring you guys back, okay? Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I'm just getting back from Dollar Tree, and I just wanted to show you these little few things I got. First and foremost, there is a Dollar Tree. It's not in my area, but it's a bit down the road. It is closing. I've never seen a Dollar Tree close. Excuse me. But I'm not sure what's going on. We had at least 2 Tuesday mornings to close, and now a Dollar Tree. I'm at a loss. But anyway, I just want to show you these few things real quick. I got these brushes right here, and I actually had gotten them for a friend, but she said she was good, so that means I can use them with these things. Haha, yes. So I got these 3 makeup brushes, and I got this right here for a Throwback Thursday episode. Now my old heads may know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe some of you young ones too. But I'm gonna show you a trick with this this loose eyeshadow. Let me put that over there. And I got this 1 sheet of adhesive cork paper, or whatever you want to call it, adhesive cork sheet. And I just want to use it to try and see if I can use my arrow dies to cut out some arrows. Of course, you know it's for the junk journal. I got this thing right here because I'm going to do the tea dye. That's what that's for. I got this right here just to keep my table kind of clean. Let's see, y'all don't need to see no forks. I got these so that when I make another, what the thing's called, another dangle. Yeah, that's what I got this for. And did I show you guys this? I don't know. It's sitting here. I got that basket. I got these 2 baskets right here. And I got this fork baskets, or these are stackable trays. I saw Life at 50 and Beyond. She did a really neat DIY, Dollar Tree DIY, and it's to help with organization. I saw her video, so I'm going to attempt to recreate what she did. Okay, and I think that's it. Like I say, today was real dismal. It really was. Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I saw this DIY, Dollar Tree DIY from Life at 50 and Beyond, and it's an organizational one, and I need it so bad because if you guys saw what my table looks like, yeah, no. But what I'm going to use for this DIY are 2 of these little desk trays. I got some cable ties here. I got this basket right here. It's going to get better. I got this basket right here. Cable ties. What do they say on here? What do they call them? Nylon cable ties. Okay. And I got my hot glue gun. It's ready to rumble. It's leaking, so it's time to go. And this is, I hope it's going to be a real easy DIY. And what I'm going to do is kind of make like a little drawer insert type deal. The baskets are going to fit together like so. Let me move some of this out the way. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna need this. I'm not gonna let y'all see my desk before, but I will let you see, or I will show you what these things will look like, because I don't know if this is gonna be able to handle it all. But anyway, and it's gonna be like this, and then you take the other basket and put it in like that. So it'll look like that. It's not gonna fit perfect, but it'll be perfect enough. Alright, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down a little hot glue in strategic places just to hold it together till I can get the twist ties or the cable ties on. And hopefully I won't take too long, and because I don't want this to like get hard before I get a chance to get it on there. So I'm going to see if this is going to work. Like so, because they have these little holes on the side that will line up perfectly. Do this on the back right here. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to show you the holes that I'm talking about. See right here. Where's my finger? Right there. Okay, there we go. Right there, there's a hole right there, and they will line up perfectly. So, and that's part one. We're over half done. Well, let's just say we're halfway done. Now I'm going to take these cable ties, and I try to keep cable ties on deck, guys. Every time I see them in Dollar Tree, I try to get at least one pack. Because I don't know if Miss Life at 50 and Beyond knows it, but I be stalking her channel. And she does use a lot of cable ties in her DIYs, so that's why I have to keep them. So let's see. Let me see if they're gonna fit through here. Yep, they fit perfectly through there. And this is to hold it steady. You know, you need to make sure it's tight and secure. Everything is secure in place. Go, got that one. Let me move this hot glue gun. Let's see where I can put it at for now. Because I got one more that I need to do. I'm going to do both of them. Good Lord. And I don't want to put this on the floor because I don't want it to leak out on the carpet. Let me put this down. It can leak on that thing. There we go. Okay, now we're good. So I'm gonna put this one on, put the next one on this side. Now I gotta find out what them tape, where they go. There we go. And I'm going to put like one on each side about halfway, and then put a couple across the back here, and then this little DIY will be done. I mean, I might have to sit it up like this. Let's see. I want the inside or the outside. Might as well put it on the outside. Everything else is. Well. Okay, right here. Okay. Turn around to this side. Do the same thing. Okay. And I'm gonna put two back here at the back. And then we're going to trim them. We're going to put a little basket drawer in. Trying to get it down through here. Come on. Oh, there we go, right there. Okay, and one more. Ah, come on. I'm trying to keep the basket in view, but I might have to move it long enough so that I could see what I'm doing to get this in here. There we go. I hope my big head wasn't in the way. Okay. Alrighty, so let's trim these. And this is gonna be up on my desk out of the way of the grands. So hopefully they won't bother nothing, because I have no intentions on trimming the little sharp edges. They little behind shouldn't be up on my desk anyway. Go. Might take a little bit more of that one off, if I can get it off of there. Okay, here we go. Now, so either side is whichever side you want it to sit on, and I have this little, it's purple. It's more purple than pink. Little basket right here for the drawer insert. So let me raise this a little bit. There we go. So this is how this is looking. And you just reach your hand in here, pull out the basket. It's got the little thing right there. Pull out your drawer. Pull out your drawer. Okay, so let me get the other one and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is how I have it set up for right now. There's still, like, let's just say this grouping right here. All that stuff needs to be moved off the desk because it serves really no purpose. This, no, this is I could put a tea light in it. That's that salt thing, but I need to move it because right now it's just not really serving a purpose. And there's still some things on my table that need to go, but this right here, let me put this basket in front of you guys. This basket is the stuff that I had to take off my table just to get it to kind of look like this. I'm gonna swing you over a little bit. See, that needs to go. And I got a wine glass. I think that's a wine glass. I don't even know why it's in here. That needs to go. There's some jars with some washi tape right there that need to go. I just got to find some place to put all this stuff. And I think I do have a pretty decent place to put it. I just got to get everything organized. And it's the hardest thing for me to get organized. I had one of my daughter's friends paint this little guy. He was just, like, what is it, ceramic or white, whatever. He actually looked like he could have been Charlie Brown. So I asked her to make him a little brown baby and put him on some clothes and some shoes and stuff. And I think she did a good job. But I like him, but I need to find someplace else to sit him because he doesn't do anything for me on this, on my table. But one thing that will stay, because it makes me happy, are those right there. Y'all see those? Y'all know what they are. But anyway, that's something else. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.